is a unique chain of school with almost 700 schools across India. It's a school where learning comes alive, where learning is a research based, where learning is a fun. We have all facilities and infrastructure with school should possess. That's what's special about us. We are special because we believe, we understand that every child is unique and possesses a multiple set of intelligence. Our research and development team is able to analyze and determine multiple intelligence, and our lesson of plan so that its better understanding concept are clear. Child is able to explore and excel in the field further. We focus on overall development. As I already told you, my school is well equipped for that. Thank you very much.